Ready? Start. I am delighted to participate in the 30th e-convocation of ICFAI University, Sikkim. I am sure the students would have preferred an actual convocation rather than a virtual one. But due to the COVID-19 pandemic, this has become the new normal. In this regard, I must appreciate the efforts of ICFAI Sikkim in organizing this e-convocation on this momentous occasion. I would like to begin by congratulating the students for acquiring their coveted degrees and awards. This is indeed your day and you should feel proud about it. I also congratulate the professors and gurus who nurtured and mentored the young minds. Lastly, I must also congratulate the parents who are the first gurus of their words. This is their success too. Whatever you might choose to become, some might prefer to pursue higher studies, others might take up jobs, while some might try their hand to entrepreneurs. Be confident, develop a positive outlook, set clear targets and work with sincerity, discipline and dedication towards realizing your goals. You will be expected to use the skills you have learned and acquired. It is more than just the degree you got. The fast changing world requires you to think critically and adapt quickly to the new situation. You need to be proactive, anticipate the future, and be prepared to meet the challenge. Universities, on their part, need to prepare students to effectively deal with real world challenges. Let us take the example of the COVID-19 pandemic. All the nations, even the most advanced ones, were caught off guard and were totally unprepared in tackling the serious health crisis it has triggered. We have to learn lessons from this pandemic, and experts from all domains, from epidemiologists to environmentalists, need to come together and come up with solutions to meet such threats in the future. The COVID pandemic is the first great adversity in front of you. It has disrupted supply chains, changed social interaction and affected economies. As bright minds, you should look to create opportunities instead of looking at it as a crisis. Like always, technology will be a critical factor and you should leverage it in making your mark and thriving in the new normal. For those of you seeking to become job creator, there cannot be better place to implement your business ideas than India right now, as we are following our Prime Minister's vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat. Educational institutions and universities are expected to produce well-rounded and compassionate human beings and not mere degree holders. They should bring out the best in each individual with great foundational values. Often this aspect gets ignored or sidelined in the race of paychecks. Education without values is no education at all. As Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore put it, and I quote, "The highest education is that which does not merely give us information but makes our life in harmony with all existence." Take climate change, for instance, it is already here, impacting us. We certainly need to equip our engineers and technologists to create new defenses and come up with innovative, out of box solutions to meet the challenges posed by extreme weather events.